This is my review of the SureThik Hair Thickening Fibers. Let me tell you, this has been a lifesaver for me. I went through a stage where I went through a bit of stress and I didn't realize it until some family members pointed it out, but I had lost a little bit of hair and I had a little bit of, I say, light bald spot going on up here, and I was mortified. But thankfully it's growing back in. But in the meantime, I was looking for something to help me just fill in a bit of the gaps. And I found this, and it's just great. So I'll just pour some on my hand. It's tiny little fibers that come out. I don't know if you can kind of see them. And I have it in the dark brown. But I would just put it literally up here, and it would fill in the spaces of where I had lost some hair due to stress. So I keep this around always. Hopefully don't lose hair again like that, but I still keep it because you never know when I might want to use it again. So if you're stressing at all, it's like 10 seconds about your hairline and just needing to fill it in a little bit. I really love it. It's SureThik. It's fibers that are thickening to your hairline. So highly suggest it, and yeah, really love it.